Administrative hearing process allowed Clean Wisconsin, allowed Midwest environmental advocates, allowed the Ho-Chunk Nation to have an impartial decision maker take a closer look at whether DNR should have ever issued this permit and whether it was correct under the law. What does this tell us about our role in protecting natural resources? And I think this case demonstrates that the scrutiny of the contested case process or litigation generally can be an antidote for politically motivated decisions that never should have happened in the first place and that would squander priceless natural resources.
We looked at this case and were shocked by the size of the wetlands that were being proposed to fill, which was totally abnormal to the regulatory history of the department.
Under state law, there are pretty clear requirements for what it takes to get a permit issued. And as Tony mentioned earlier, the applicant for a wetland permit has to submit a plan for making up for the impacts to wetlands that their project's going to cause. And the plan that was submitted that DNR had at the time it decided to issue the permit was incomplete in a range of different ways.
I was at DNR for 34 years as an attorney. I worked for 7 governors and 7 secretaries. And in the old days, I don't think the DNR operated this way. The Meteor permit, Kohler Golf Course permit, a number of other permits, staff were not allowed to do their job. After being contacted by Midwest environmental advocates, I talked to some of the staff who had the temerity to stand up and say that we cannot issue this permit, were removed from the process.
Our job, we felt as a group, was to fight this political interference that was undermining our laws.
I think this whole issue demonstrates the importance of Clean Wisconsin, of MEA and Ho-Chunk and other groups and all citizens stepping up to protect these resources.
It's always so wonderful when we can see, we as Ho-Chunk people can see that there are others who understand that we do have this duty, this tradition within us that says we're supposed to take care of this land, not just for us, but for generations ahead of us.